Greetings, viewers. Welcome to today's discussion where we'll delve into a fascinating topic that not only piques curiosity but also opens up exciting possibilities. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the world of how to earn from ChatGPT. In this era of rapidly evolving technology, leveraging the capabilities of advanced language models like ChatGPT has become more than just a novel idea. It's a gateway to new opportunities and potential income streams. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or someone simply intrigued by the vast realm of possibilities, join us as we explore the various ways you can harness the power of ChatGPT to not only enhance your interactions but also to potentially generate income. From content creation to innovative applications, the avenues are diverse and exciting. So, buckle up as we unravel the secrets to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT in the realm of earning opportunities. So, first thing first. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It belongs to the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, family of models. Specifically, it is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which is the third iteration of the GPT series. The model is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. What sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to engage in dynamic and contextually relevant conversations. It can comprehend context, generate responses, and provide information on a wide range of topics. ChatGPT has been trained on diverse datasets, making it versatile in its understanding of natural language. Users can interact with ChatGPT through an API, application programming interface, or use it through platforms provided by OpenAI. The model has been widely discussed and explored for its potential applications in both professional and creative fields. ChatGPT holds significant importance in today's digital landscape for several reasons. In an era where communication is key, ChatGPT stands as a transformative force in reshaping how we interact with technology. Its natural language processing capabilities enable seamless conversations, making it an ideal candidate for applications in customer service, virtual assistants, and online communication. Businesses are increasingly recognizing the importance of providing instant and effective responses to user queries, and ChatGPT facilitates this by offering a sophisticated conversational experience. Content creation and marketing have undergone a paradigm shift with the introduction of ChatGPT. Content creators, marketers, and social media managers are leveraging its language generation abilities to streamline their workflows. The model's capacity to understand context and generate coherent text allows for the creation of engaging and relevant content. This not only saves time but also opens up new possibilities for creativity in the digital content landscape. Platforms that offer earning opportunities. As we explore the myriad ways to harness the power of ChatGPT, it's essential to highlight platforms that offer exciting earning opportunities. These platforms not only provide access to ChatGPT's capabilities but also serve as gateways for individuals to monetize their skills and creativity. Let's dive into some of these platforms and discover how you can turn your interactions with ChatGPT into valuable opportunities. Freelance marketplaces. Freelance marketplaces are bustling hubs where talent meets opportunity. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr enable freelancers to offer their skills, including writing, content creation, and programming, with ChatGPT as their trusty assistant. By showcasing your expertise and incorporating ChatGPT into your workflow, you can attract clients looking for high-quality services and unique solutions. Content creation platforms. Content creation platforms have become fertile grounds for those looking to showcase their creativity. Whether you're a writer, artist, or social media enthusiast, platforms like Medium, Substack, and Patreon provide spaces to share your work. Integrating ChatGPT can elevate your content, making it more engaging and appealing to your audience. These platforms often offer monetization options, allowing you to earn directly from your creations. Educational platforms. The demand for online education has skyrocketed, and platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable offer opportunities for educators and learners alike. If you have expertise in a particular subject, ChatGPT can assist in creating compelling course content, quizzes, and explanations. By contributing to these platforms, you not only share knowledge but also have the potential to earn from course enrollments. Chatbot development platforms. With the rise of AI-powered chatbots, platforms like Chatbot.com, Dialogflow, and Microsoft Bot Framework provide tools for building intelligent conversational agents. Entrepreneurs and businesses are seeking skilled developers to create chatbots that enhance customer interactions. Incorporating ChatGPT's capabilities into these platforms can result in sophisticated and efficient chatbot solutions, opening up opportunities for freelance work or project collaborations. Writing and collaboration platforms. Writing and collaboration platforms such as Google Docs, Notion, and DraftBit are where ideas come to life. Writers, editors, and creative teams can leverage ChatGPT to enhance collaboration, brainstorming sessions, and even automate parts of the writing process. These platforms offer opportunities for writers and creatives to showcase their skills while working on collaborative projects. ChatGPT and social media. Certainly, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for creating engaging social media content, responses, and automated messaging in several ways. Content creation. Captivating captions. ChatGPT can assist in generating catchy and relevant captions for your social media posts. Whether it's for Instagram, Twitter, or other platforms, the model's ability to understand context and generate creative text can enhance the appeal of your content. Blog post ideas. If you run a blog or share long-form content on platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook, ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas, outline key points, and even generate introductory paragraphs to kickstart your articles. Interactive content. Polls and surveys. Engage your audience with interactive content like polls and surveys. ChatGPT can assist in formulating interesting questions and options, making your polls more appealing and likely to garner responses. Quizzes and trivia. Create quizzes or trivia games for your followers. ChatGPT can generate questions and answers, adding an element of fun and knowledge sharing to your social media strategy. Lead generation. Use ChatGPT-powered chatbots for lead generation. The model can interact with potential customers, qualify leads, and provide preliminary information, streamlining the sales or conversion process. Creative campaigns. Hashtag campaigns. Develop creative hashtag campaigns with the help of ChatGPT. The model can suggest catchy and relevant hashtags that align with your brand or campaign objectives. Storytelling. Craft compelling stories for your social media audience using ChatGPT. Whether it's a narrative about your brand's journey or a personal anecdote, the model can contribute to creating engaging and relatable content. By integrating ChatGPT into your social media strategy, you not only streamline content creation and engagement but also add a layer of creativity and personalization that resonates with your audience. Tips for success. Certainly, here are some tips for achieving success when using ChatGPT for various purposes, whether it's content creation, social media engagement, or any other application. 1. Understand the strengths and limitations. 2. Provide clear instructions. 3. Use prompt engineering. 4. Combine human creativity with AI assistance. 5. Check for accuracy and relevance. 6. Maintain ethical use. 7. Stay updated on model changes. 8. Experiment and learn. 9. Secure sensitive information. Remember that success with ChatGPT often comes from a combination of technical understanding, creativity, and a thoughtful approach to its use. As you integrate ChatGPT into your workflows, continuously refine your strategies and adapt based on your unique requirements and objectives. Conclusion. In today's digital landscape, the avenues for earning with ChatGPT are as diverse as the model itself. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, teaching, developing chatbots, or collaborating on projects, the integration of ChatGPT amplifies your capabilities. As you explore these platforms, remember that your creativity and expertise, combined with ChatGPT's assistance, can open doors to exciting opportunities in a world of potential earnings. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on maximizing your journey with ChatGPT.